Get a good stance. There you go. Take a shot and let's see where you hit. Good. Okay, stop. You see where you are? So you're down to the left, but in within the circle. Very good. Try another one. And wherever you sighted at that time, come up just a little bit, not too much. Good.
Good job.
Same spot. So come up a little more. Whoa!
Woohoo!
See it? So now you know where that's where you're comfortable with. Shoot just the same place. Good.
Uh-oh. We got a marksman on our hand.
Good. Down, that was low that time. Take your time. Easy squeeze. Okay, good. Nice. That's in the second circle. Good. Oh, good. There you go.
Nice.
You're done. Okay. Very good. Good job. Center mass.
Gustav.
Very good.
Okay, go show off your target now.
For a first-time shooter.
Okay, take your target down. Nice. Dead dude. Okay, pull your target down. The blue tape. That's what you want to take off. Yeah. Nice.
That's going to get framed, my friends. It's going to go in my living room.
And this one too. Handgun versus shotgun. Who wins? Well, there's a couple dead dudes there, but one guy's hurting a lot faster.
One guy's going to have his coffin closed.